another bottle, I've been drowning out.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be making black soap. So there's no how we are going to make black soap that we are not going to use black soap. So first of all, you have to get the black soap. Now the other ingredients that we are now going to mix with this black soap, that is what makes it effective. Now you can get this at any store. Please as well, I also want you to know that some of these ingredients they are not found in the kitchen. You know that on this channel we love natural things, something you can just pick from a kitchen, but some of these ingredients cannot be found there. And because I'm making this for myself, and I'm using some lightening chemicals, let me say some lightening ingredients which will help to lighten your skin. So please, I indulge everyone to watch this video to the end, and also I'm going to put all the ingredients I'm using for this recipe on my in my description box rather. So please go ahead and check it out. So thank you so much, and also please watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. So the first ingredient we are going to be using is Kojic Acid. Kojic Acid is a very good ingredient to lighten your skin. So before that, I'm using 250 gram of black soap. 250 gram of black soap. So please note that Kojic Acid cannot dissolve in normal temperature water. It can only dissolve in hot water. So the first thing I did was to preheat my water, then add my Kojic Acid to it. Kojic Acid is one of the top 3 to lighten your skin, your skin. So please there are some ingredients that you can just you might not need a way. It's not that you need a weighing scale for some ingredients to measure, but if you add more or add less, it will have an effect. But when it comes to Kojic Acid, please measure it. I use 250 gram of soap also, and I'm using 4 tablespoons of Kojic Acid. So another beautiful ingredient I'm going to be using is turmeric. I love turmeric, so even at the latter end of this I added more turmeric, because even though I had more or less, it does not have any side effect on my body. And turmeric as well is a good lightening agent for your skin. So the next is papaya as well is a, oh my god, you see, this my first ingredient I'm adding. They are good ingredients to lighten your skin, yes, to exfoliate the skin as well. Papaya, this is the grounded papaya leaves, and very good to lighten your skin. So please kindly watch this video to the end. Kindly watch this video today. There are a lot of steps. You know that these stuffs are chemicals. Yes, licorice as well is a lightening agent as well, and it helps to exfoliate the skin. This one as well, please measure it as well. So please watch this video to the end. Please watch this video to the end. There's a lot of things, because I'm using a lot of chemicals. So please follow all the steps if you want to try this at home. Thank you so much. Please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much.